When you opened your second branch, you thought the hard part was over. You had the recipe, you had the system, and you had the customer. But then you realize that the second branch does not run the way the first one does. Your bestseller in Makati is a slow mover in Antipolo. Your inventory is off every weekend, and you cannot be in both kitchens at the same time. Scaling a restaurant is not about cooking more food. It's about building systems. And AI is the system most Filipino restaurant owners are missing. I'm Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Darky and Automa and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association. And in this video, I will give you 3 AI use cases that will help you scale your restaurant business, whether you have 2 branches or 20, and no enterprise software required. Here is something every Filipino restaurant owner knows but nobody talks about. When you had your first branch, you run the business by feel. You know how much to prep because you were in that kitchen every day. Tansya, tansya. And it worked because you were there. When you have 2 or more branches, you cannot be in every kitchen. Your gut feel does not travel. And the gap between your estimate and what actually sells gets wider every location you open. So the gap is where your money disappears. Food waste over prepping at one branch, running out at another. Inconsistent promotions and missed customer messages. Tansya-tansya will lead to losses, so you need to fix it. And the fix is simple. The fix is systems that replace guesswork with data. And AI can help. In a restaurant kitchen, you have multiple burners. And I'd like to think AI is the same way for restaurant. You have 3 burners. Burner 1, the visibility at scale. Burner 2, efficiency across locations. And burner 3, responsiveness without adding headcount. 3 burners, 3 systems. Now, let's talk about burner 1, visibility. When you had one branch, social media was manageable. Now that you have multiple branches with different audiences, different bestsellers, and different promos, your social media either looks generic or it fails apart because nobody has time. And AI changes this. You can use ChatGPT or Claude to generate branch-specific content calendars in one sitting. And if you have watched our video on the RTC framework, you know that the key is giving AI the right role, task, and context. Here is an example. You tell ChatGPT, you are the social media manager for the restaurant chain. Here are my 3 branches and what makes each one different. Then you ask it to create content plan tailored to each location. So 1 prompt, 3 tailored content plans. Pair it with Canva AI for visuals and you have a content system that scales without hiring social media manager for each branch. So hindi mo na kailangan ng marketing team sa bawat branch. Kailangan mo lang ay sistema. Now, the second burner is efficiency. And this is the burner where most growing restaurants lose the most money without regretting it. In Metro Manila alone, an estimated 2,175 tons of food are wasted every single day. Food wastes account for 2 to 10% of the total food cost. Now, for a food restaurant that's doing 1 million pesos a month in food purchases across 3 branches, even 5% waste is 50,000 pesos a month. And that is 600,000 pesos a year. And the root cause, the tansya-tansya multiplied by the number of branches. So for example, your Makati branch sells 40 servings of sinigang on a rainy day. Your Quezon City branch sells 15. But both prep the same amount because nobody tracked the difference. And AI can fix this. Take your sales data for the last 30 or 60 days. Even a handwritten log is enough. Feed it to ChatGPT or Claude and ask it, analyze sales patterns across my 3 branches. Which items should each branch prep more or less of on each day of the week? Factor in weather patterns and day of the week. Restaurants using AI-driven inventory tools report 20 to 35% reductions in food waste. And malaking bagay yon. If you save even just 10% on food cost across 3 branches, that is roughly 100,000 pesos a month and 1.2 million pesos a year. And that money you are already spending. You are just getting it back. So we talk about the first burner, which is visibility. The second burner is efficiency. And the last burner is responsiveness. More branches means more customer messages. Facebook, Instagram, GrabFood, Google reviews, the same 10 questions repeated across every branch. Open po ba kayo? May parking po ba? Pwede po bang magpa-reserve for 10, etc. With these 3 branches, messages fall through the cracks. A reservation request sits unanswered for 6 hours and a negative review goes ignored for a week. Studies show that 83% of customers will switch restaurants if their message goes unanswered more than once. And the AI solution? Well, you can easily draft your 20 most common question and answers per branch using ChatGPT or Claude. You can set up automated messenger responses and use AI to draft review replies in your brand voice. Restaurants using AI messaging report 27% faster response times. So you are not replacing the personal touch. You are making sure no customer gets ignored while your team is busy plating food. So without AI, scaling from 1 to 5 branches means more staff, more inventory variance, more unanswered messages, and more waste. Your costs grow faster than your revenue. With the 3-burner framework, your content scales without adding heads, your inventory tightens per branch, and your response time stay fast. So AI prevents you from needing to double your team every time you open a new door. What I just showed you is where you start. Free tools, manual prompts, your own data. But there is a next level. When you need AI to connect directly to your POS, your inventory system, your customer database, that's when you move from general tools to custom AI systems built for your business. If you reach that point and need help, feel free to connect with me. The link is in the description. But start with the 3 burners first. Prove the value, then scale the tools when you are ready. Which of the burners is hurting your growth right now? Visibility, that is, your branches look inconsistent online? Or efficiency, you are wasting food across locations? Or responsiveness, you are losing bookings because inquiries fall through the cracks? Pick the one costing you the most and start there. Remember, AI for a growing restaurant is about building systems that scale. So your 3rd branch runs as well as your first without tripling your workload. And now that you've learned the 3 ways AI can help you with your growing restaurant, I've compiled the top 5 mistakes business leaders make when it comes to AI. Click this video and learn how you can avoid them. Again, I'm Jerry Ilaw, the co-founder of Tarki and Otama, and the founding president of the Philippine AI Business Association, reminding you the restaurants that will win in the next 5 years are not just the ones with the best food. They are also the ones with the best systems. Start building yours today. See you in the next video.